binoculars. I looked through the binoculars. You won't believe it. The wheel stud. That bodyguard, we called him, was a handsome, athletic young man. This brother said that when I saw this scene, I was very scared. Then I quickly drove the car and returned to Dushambe. I arrived on Monday. They called several times. I did not take his phone numbers. Maybe that driver from District F is still working, but that guard is no longer working. He had a black belt. The place where they went with Yanga is empty and lonely. The back of the hill. Azizmo went there and back, in the same truck. The young guard who was seen with Azizmo in the cell is from Coolyab. Believe me, I did not come to my senses for 3 days. I died in childbirth. My blood pressure rose. To be honest, I was very scared. That's why I left the road. He said that several other people knew about this. They warned this man that, you will be killed. So I stopped working and left Tajikistan. This man said he saw the driver being thrown out of the car. He started the car and drove away with Azizmo. We are talking, and they are shouting. He stops on the asphalt, and they enter the canyon. There was no asphalt on the